Well, we're having another snowstorm. I need to run in and get a gallon of milk and bread and my salami. We already got an inch on the ground at least. It's coming down super heavy. Roads are treacherous. They're saying stay off the roads if you don't need to be on them. The wind is picking up. Yeah. I just gotta run into the store and grab something really quick. Otherwise, well, I wouldn't be on here either, but I might as well get it and do it now and be done with that. Because I'm not gonna go out later on. Yeah. Roads are slick as crap. Unreal. Unreal. And I'm going to be blowing this snow over to Michigan for, you know, anybody who's in Michigan, be prepared. This is what we're getting. Bad weather out here today. So anybody in Wisconsin, stay safe. Don't go on the roads if you don't have to. It's not necessary. I had to. I didn't have a choice. It's the way it is sometimes. But I am going to cancel a couple of appointments today. Because I'm not fitting to be on these roads. I'm going to tell you that right now. I'm going to go back home. I'm going to put my jammies on. And that's that. So, yeah. This is what we're dealing with today. I'll get a good picture of how it's coming down and how fast it's coming down. This is crazy. But I'm not the only one trying to get to the grocery store right quick. Alright. Have a great day, y'all. I'll just add to that video a little bit. I don't know if you can tell, but visibility has diminished quite a bit. Roads are still slick as shit. I'll see some pretty trees. I see some pretty trees. You got this road halfway plowed. Aren't those just beautiful? And as you can see, the visibility is going down. So yeah, that's what we're dealing with today. At least Greenfield was out plowing. Goddamn Milwaukee, I didn't see that one plow. So, now I gotta try and get in a parking spot and carry the 2 bags of groceries upstairs that I have. So, there you have it. Another snowstorm in Wisconsin. Yeah, winds are picking up, and that's where the issue lies. If you can see, you can't really see the snow flying. You can see how much the trees are blowing. So that's going to be the problem today. Is all the wind. Wind. Let's see if you can see the winds blowing here. You see the trees. I don't know if you can see how much the snow is. Just whatever. Crazy weather, that's what I can say. Crazy. Even to look into over by the neighbors, you can see the visibility is diminished greatly. All that snow, beautiful snow. So we already got a good couple of inches on the road already. About 3 inches. Whatever they said, apparently it's really coming. And this isn't going to stop until Saturday or something, I guess. So, we'll see. Alright, y'all. Stay safe out there. Have fun. No driving for me today.